Welcome to the Wiki General. Are you thinking about how to upload high quality stories on Instagram? In this video, we will show you how to upload high quality video on Instagram. If you have any problem related to Instagram story, we have a complete playlist on it and the link is in the description. Let's go toward the video. First, you have to go to your profile and then you click on the three dot at the top right. Then click on the setting and scroll down. In this video we will show you the setting through which you upload a high quality video. So now you click on the data usage and media quality, click on it and you see the option upload at high quality. Turn it on. Once you turn it on, your video will be automatically uploaded on your story with high quality. If this video is informative for you, please subscribe our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.